Bacon, bacon, bacon.
Please get voided. Oh my god, voided is so good.
Yeah, Herman was like, he really wanted me to get voided. I don't want to get in section, and I don't really want to get... Actually, no, I'm fine with Cicada 3302. I'm alright with that, because
Isn't
not gonna be
Stratus
primary
really
thing.
fun?
I think so. Right, I don't care, go, bang.
Roblox.
Yes! Yes! No! No! Yes! No! Okay. I wanted Fish Fish God mode. I wanted it. Okay, Cyclone.
So yeah.
Ooh, 43 to 100. 52 in one attempt. 74. No, 72. No, I'm flying out of the map! No! What? Okay.
You can build a cobblestone farm. Oh, go on.
Can't be asked. Amazing.
Well,
What do you
then-
need cobblestone for?
Build stuff.
Stone
Yeah.
pickaxes. What do you need stone pickaxes? We're already like kitted out.
You stupid.
Also, have cobble deep slate everywhere. We have millions of stacks.
That's not enough.
But that's not enough. Yeah.
I
Yes.
fluked it.
Oh,
Okay.
GG.
You beat
Nice
it?
job.
Oh,
Yeah, I fluked it from 74.
I said
Ooh.
go, but
Man.
I technically beat it.
Stretch! Oh my
GG.
god.
I wish I could fluke this level from where I died.
Geometry G on the
where's what is your best in the challenge?
68, but it's like there's 2 more clicks in the entire level.
Oh my god.
438. Oh, that's a good number. 2348.
And the beginning is like way harder than the ending.
It is a good number.
If I pass, like there's just one like green orb.